ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। विश्वं दर्पणदृश्यमाननगरी तुल्यं निजान्तर्गतं पश्यन्नात्मनि मायया बहिरिवोद् भूतं यथा निद्रया यस्साक्षात्कुरुते प्रबोधसमये स्वात्मानमेवाद्वयं तस्मै श्रीगुरुमूर्तये नमः। इदं श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये। In the last three stanzas, the Gaudapadacharya ji's Karika was explained. Anadimaya supto yada jiva prabudyate ajama swapnam advaitam buddhyate tada. And then two Karikas to explain what is yada and what is tada. Now, on page 35, second line. अनेन जानीयात् तत् कथं जीवः. You know where we are now, right? Everybody knows. Okay. अनेन जानीयात् तत् कथं जीवः इति प्रश्नस्य अद्वैत प्रत्यगात्मरूपेण जानीयादिति उत्तरम उक्तं वेदितव्यम. So one question was asked, जानीयात् तत् कथं जीवः earlier. How will Jiva know that Advaita? So it is said, he will know iti prashnasya Advaita Pratyagatma Rupena Janiyat. How Jiva has to know that Advaita as his own self. Advaita Pratyagatma Rupena Janiyat iti uttaram uktam veditavyam. So you should understand that question has been answered. Uttaram uktam veditavyam. Then another question was asked, Kim tad jnanasya sadhanam. How he has to know? He has to know that Advaita is himself. Yah sakshat kurute prabodha samaye atmanam eva advayam. So atmanam advayam sakshat kurute. This is how he has to know. And what is the sadhanam for this jnanam? Shrutyacharya iti purva shlokena. So the previous shloka here which said Shrutyacharya prasadena योगाभ्यास वशेन च ईश्वरानुग्रहेण अपि. These three are the sadhana. So किम तद ज्ञानस्य साधनम श्रुत्याचार्य इति पूर्वश्लोकेन किम तद ज्ञानस्य साधनम इति अस्य उत्तरम उक्तम द्रष्टव्यम. You should understand that question is also answered. Then asya ज्ञानस्य फलम किम? One question was asked. That will be said तृतीय श्लोकेन samsar nivritti lakshanam vakshyati. That will be said in the third shloka. Now here tritiya shloka means third shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram. third shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram, where it will be said, न पुनरावृत्तिर भवाम्भो निधौ, भवाम्भो निधौ पुनः आवृत्ति न, there is no coming back to this world, this ocean of transmigration. That is samsara nivritti lakshanam. This is jnanasya phalam. That will be said there. Now see further. Evam shlokasya padashah praptam artham avishkritya अधिकम अर्थम आविष्कुर्वन् ईश्वरत्वं च जीवत्वं इत्यादि अवशिष्ट प्रश्नानाम् उत्तरम् आह. श्लोकस्य पदशः प्राप्तम अर्थम आविष्कृत्य, of the shloka, shloka means the shloka of Dakshinamurti Stotram, Vishwam Darpana Drishyaman Nagari, every pada of that shloka is explained. Padashah praptam artham avishkritya, whatever is directly known, understood meaning, that has been already revealed. Avishkaranam means to reveal, to do prakatikaranam. Having done that, avishkritya adhikam artham avishkurvan. Now, greater meaning which is to be revealed, avishkurvan, ईश्वरत्वं च जीवत्वं इत्यादि. So avashishta prashnan, there was one question, what is ishwaratvam and what is jivatvam? If you see on page number 27, fifth shloka, Ishwaratvam cha jivatvam sarvatmatvam cha kidrisham. What is Ishwaratvam, what is jivatvam, and what is sarvatmatvam? In fifth shloka it was asked. So now that is being answered, and whatever other questions, avashishta prashnanam uttaram आह. यथा स्वप्ने नृपो भूत्वा भुक्त्वा भोगान् यथेप्सितान् चतुरंगबलोपेतः शत्रुन् जित्वा रणाङ्गणे यथा स्वप्ने नृपो भूत्वा भुक्त्वा भोगान् यथेप्सितान् चतुरंगबलोपेतः शत्रुन् जित्वा रणाङ्गणे परात् पराजितो भूत्वा वनं प्राप्य तपश्चरन् मुहूर्तमात्रमात्मानं मन्यते कल्पजीविनम्. परात् पराजितो भूत्वा वनं प्राप्य तपश्चरन् मुहूर्तमात्रमात्मानं मन्यते कल्पजीविनम्. So he is explaining through Drishtanta what is Ishwaratvam and what is Jivatvam. Yatha swapne, just as in dream, Nrupo bhutva, somebody is there, he sees himself as a king. So Nrupo bhutva यथेप्सितान भोगान भुक्त्वा. Yathepsitan, what a wonderful words he coins. Yathepsitan means Yatha kama, whatever is his desire, like he will create objects. Bhogan bhuktva. Then chaturanga balopetah रणंगणे शत्रुम जित्वा. चतुरंग बल उपेतः, having endowed with or having owned chaturanga bala sena. So in army you have fourfold strength, chaturanga bala. Chatuhu angani yasya tat chaturangam. Chaturangam balam. Chaturanga means fourfold. What are the four aspects? One is elephants, hasti. Second is ashwa, horses. Third, rathaha, chariots. And fourth, pada, padari. So pada, foot soldiers. All four aspects are required. This is called chaturanga balam. So fourfold army endowed with that. Upetaha, what is the dhatu for this? हाँ, इणगत उपसर्ग पूर्वक इणगत निष्ठा प्रत्यय उपेत चतुरंग बलोपेत नृपः इस विशेषण फॉर नृपः. रणांगणे इन दी बैटल फील्ड शत्रुम जित्वा ही डिफीट्स हिज एनिमीज. देन अगेन यू हैव टू रिपीट दैट यथेप्सितान भोगान भुक्त्वा. So earlier also he was enjoying, and then when he defeated all his enemies etc., then even more. Yathepsitan bhogan bhuktva. Then next shloka. So continuation is there. Parat parajito bhutva. Parat means some other king is there. These some kings he defeated and he became victorious. But some other king he could not defeat, so he got defeated. Parat means para shabda is sarvanam shabda here. Parat means parasmat. You know, both forms are there for Sarvanam. Panchami Vibhakti, there will be Parat and Parasmat in Sarvanam Shabda. What is the sutra, you remember? Nasi nasoho smat sminau. That sutra. So, Parat means Parasmat. Parajito bhutva, having gotten defeated by some other king, then vanam prapya, having reached forest, tapascharan, he does tapas, austerity. Who is this person? Somebody who is dreaming. This is all swapne. Swapne first nrupo bhutva bhogan bhuktva, then chaturanga bala upeta shatrum ranangane jitva, then parat parajito bhutva, then vanam prapya tapascharan. All this happens in how much time? Muhurta matram. In few minutes or less than that, all this happens for him. And he thinks Atmanam Kalpajivinam Manyate. He thinks I have been living for a long time. kalpa jiva. So many kalpas I have been living, so many, or at least from years I am there. This is swapna. Then next shloka will say Jagrat Kala. Now see the tika. Yatha swapna ityadina chidatmano जीवेश्वर भावो माया निबंधन इति अत्र दृष्टांत उच्यते. What is the thing that he wants to explain? Ishwaratvam and Jivatvam. So he says Chidatma, Chaitanya alone, because of Maya Shakti, gets Jiva Bhava and Ishwar Bhava. Maya Nibandhanaha, Mayayaha Nibandhanam Yasya Saha Maya Nibandhanaha. Nibandhanam means Karanam. Maya is the cause for that. What is that? Jiveshwar Bhavaha. So Jiveshwar Bhavaha, Jiva Bhavascha Ishwar Bhavascha. For Jiva Bhava also, Maya is the Karanam. For Ishwar Bhava also, Maya is the Karanam. In other words, Jiva Bhava is also Mayika, Ishwar Bhava is also Mayika. Because I think I am Jiva, therefore I have to do Kalpana of Ishwara. If I understand I am Brahma, then there is no separate Ishwara. And Chidatma alone, because of Maya, gets both this bhava. Iti atra drishtanta uchyate. In this case, for that, the example is given. Swapne kaschit yatha nripatmatam atmano anubhuya. Atmanah nripatmatam anubhuya. He thinks oneself as a king. Nripatmatam anubhuya. See in Mool Shloka, what is the word? For anubhuya in the Shloka, what is the word? Bhutva. Bhu dhatu is there for both, right? Anubhuya and Bhutva, they both have Bhu dhatu. But in Shloka, it is Tva pratyaya. So in Tika, Acharya used which pratyaya? No, Anubhuya Shabda. Anubhuya Shabda is which pratyaya? Anubhuya Shabda is Lyap pratyaya. Wherever there is Tva pratyaya, that alone, same dhatu, with Visarga, it will become Lyap pratyaya. For example, like here the example is of Bhu dhatu. Bhu dhatu is Bhutva. So, Anubhuya with Upasarga, Tva pratyaya replaced by Lyap pratyaya. Bhuktva, next word is Bhuktva. Bhuktva will be Bhunj dhatu. So, but the Lyap pratyaya will not be straightforward there. Another dhatu we should take. Stha dhatu you take. So, Sthitva. Stha dhatu will be sthitva. With upasarga, it will become prasthapya. If you add pra upasarga, stha dhatu, prasthapya. So what will happen is dhatu will remain same. With upasarga, twa pratyaya will become lap pratyaya, like that. Anubhuya. For that there is a sutra, samase anaya purve two lyap. Twa pratyaya alone becomes lyap. स्वातंत्र्यम मन्यते तद्वत् परान् स्ववशीकृत्य जगत्पतितया स्वातंत्र्य अवस्थापत्तिश्चिदात्मनः ईश्वरत्वम् इत्यर्थः. जस्ट एज स्वप्ने कश्चित् यथा नृपात्मताम् आत्मनो अनुभूय स्वातंत्र्यं मन्यते तद्वत्. सो स्वातंत्र्यं मन्यते. मन्यते इज द क्रिया. द कर्ता ऑफ दैट क्रिया इज कश्चित्. कश्चित् स्वातंत्र्यं मन्यते तद्वत् परान् स्ववशीकृत्य. सो this first line is drishtanta swapne tadvat. In the same way darshtanta is what? Paran swavashikritya jagatpatitaya. That same Shuddha Chaitanya, having controlled everybody, considers itself as Ishvara. Jagatpatitaya. In the form of Jagatpati. So Jagatpatitaya, in this but you know what that is? That is a tal pratyaya. Jagatpatitaya, that is tal pratyaya. Like you say adhishtanataya. This word comes many times, adhishtanataya. So it is a tal pratyaya, because of which in the form of, so in the form of Jagatpati, in the form of Adhishthanam. Adhishthanataya means as Adhishthanam, like that. As the master of the world, Jagatpatitaya, Paran Swavashikritya Swatantriya Avasthapatti Swatantriya अवस्थापत्ति ही चिदात्मनः. दी स्वातंत्र्य अवस्थापत्ति, इंडिपेंडेंट existence means not having dependently existence. This is called Ishwaratvam of Chaitanya. Chidatmanah Ishwaratvam ityarthah. So here Ishwaratva is explained. So Chaitanya alone controlling all feels he is Ishvara. Then in next shloka Jivatve Drashtantamaha, and then he becomes Jiva. So in Swapna, when he defeats everybody, he is master, then he thinks he is Ishvara. And when he gets defeated, he is controlled, then he is a Jiva. जीवत्वे दृष्टान्तमाह परात् इति. परात् पराजितो भूत्वा. सो जीवत्व, व्हाट इज जीवत्व? परतंत्रो प्राप्तार्थाभिलाषो जीवः इत्यर्थः. So paratantro praptarthabhilasho. How you have to split that word? How will you? Huh? You have to split. Paratantra. परतंत्रः अप्राप्त अर्थ अभिलाषः. Because whatever his abhilasha is there, it is aprapta. Then only he is jiva. Prapta artha abhilasha, then he is Ishvara only. So the one who is paratantra and whose abhilasha is unsatisfied, incomplete. So everywhere you will find avagraha is not there in this tika also. You have to understand where avagraha comes on your own. So if it is paratantro and pra shabda, then you any appropriate shabda, then you say here avagraha is required. Means it is there already. You don't write it, it is there. It is vikalpena. अप्राप्तार्थ अभिलाषो जीवः इत्यर्थः. सो स्वातंत्र्य अवस्थापत्ति ही आत्मनः ईश्वरत्वं. परतंत्र अप्राप्त अर्थ अभिलाषत्वं आत्मनः जीवत्वं. दैट इज जीवत्वं. Let me see if there is any. So the point here is that in a short time he goes through, in muhurtam only, he goes through Ishwaratvam, Jivatvam, everything. In the same way, we should understand that sometimes this Jiva thinks he is a Swami, sometimes he thinks he is a Dasa, sometimes he feels he is Swatantra, sometimes Paratantra, sometimes all his desires are fulfilled, sometimes no desire is fulfilled. All this happens and he thinks it has been going on for kalpa. Actually it is a swapna only. So Ishwaratvam, Jivatvam, both are because of this Brahma. And it is experienced from Anadikala, that is further explained in the next shloka. Tathaiva jagrat kalepi manorajyam karotyasau kalanadyoga yogena क्षीणमायुर्न पश्यति. तथैव जाग्रत्कालेऽपि मनोराज्यं करोत्यसौ कालनद्योगयोगेन क्षीणमायुर्न पश्यति. तथैव, in the same way, यथा स्वप्ने तथा जागृत काले अपि, in the waking also, असौ मनोराज्यम करोति. He does lot of manorajya, castles in the air. He goes on building, I will do this, then this will happen, then that will happen. I will teach Manasollasa Vartika, then I will teach Tattvanusandhanam, all manorajya. Or I will, after few years, what will happen? Some chinta also will be there. He just goes on. This is called manorajyam. Who? The one who is adhishthanam of the entire kalpita jagat. In Shruti Sar Samudharanam, the first shloka, The Mangalacharanam is Swajnana Kalpita Jagat Parameshwarascha. Swa Ajnana Kalpita Jagat Parameshwarascha. Everything is Ajnana Kalpitam. Correct? I think that is the shloka for Shruti Sara Samudharanam. So, no, that is not, that is not Shruti. Swajnana Kalpita Jagat. Where is that shloka? Somehow I felt it is, but it is not Shruti Sar Samudana. Some other grantha maybe. I don't know. That is different. Okay. Tathaiva Jagrat Kalepi Manorajyam Kara. So, but he goes on doing this Manorajyam. I will do this, I will do that, then I will go here, then I will go there. All this is, and in that, Kala, how is this word to be split? Kala Nadi Agha Yogena. Kala Nadyogha Yogena. Kala Nadi Agha Yogena. Agha means Pravaha. Kala Nadi Ogha. Ogha is Pravaha. Kala Nadi Ogha Yogena. So, Kala Nadi, the river of Kala, time, the Pravaha of that, associated with that, Kala Nadyogha Yogena, Kshinamayu. His life is almost over. Or it goes on reducing, because that is all that is going to happen. The day we are born, first thing starts happening is the lifespan starts cutting. One day less, one day less, one day. There is no increase. It is only subtraction. One more day is over. One more day is over. Means one more day I am closer to my end at the physical level. This is Jiva's story. Kshinam na pashyati. He doesn't see that life is getting over. And that day, everyone feels, I still have lot of time. I still have lot of time. When that day comes, everything is gone. Some people get the notice at least. Some people don't get the notice also. So, kshinam na pashyati. Yatha swapne jiva bhavaha tatha jagrat dashayam api. Just as in swapna there is jiva bhava, in the same way jagrat dasha also he has jiva bhava. Asti drashtanta ityaha. And in that this is the drashtanta. Jagrat kale api asau manorajyam karoti. So generally somebody will say, but in Jagrat there is sense of continuity, the same thing is there. That same room is there, same people I see every day. In Swapna it is not there. So in Swapna also you can have continuity. How? In Swapna you see Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti. Then those Jagrat, Swapna, Shushupti will go on changing, but the Swapna is still continuing. Right? In Mandukya, this, in Vaitathya Prakarana, this is raised as an objection. Chittakala hi entastu dvayakalascha ye bahihi. The external objects, they are dvayakalina. Whereas Chittakala, anta objects are only Chittakala. So, as long as I am thinking, only so long they are there. But external objects, even if I don't think, they are there. Room is there, other people are there. So it is said in dream also you can have Chittakala and Antakala Vibhaga. In dream, if you are seeing another dream, then those objects which you see in that second dream, inside the dream, they will last only for Chittakala. But objects which are in the first dream, they will have Chittakala and Bahyakala. Another Kala is also there, Bahikala. So there is no Bheda. When the waking is equated to dream, any questions that arise, you can resolve that by proper thinking of dream example. So the Vakya is Samasta Shanka Mala Prakshalanam Swapna Drishtanta Salila Dharaya Kartavyam. What is that? Samasta Shanka Mala Prakshalanam. Any mala means if your hands and all get dirty, then what do? We wash that mala in Salila Dhara. A running water, continuous water is there. In that you go on washing your hands, then all mala will go away. In the same way, all Shanka, whatever doubts that arise, Samasta Shanka Mala Prakshalanam, where it should be done? Swapna Drishtanta Salila Dharaya. The Salila Dhara of Swapna Drishtanta. So the running water is Swapna Drishtanta. Any question you can have, you can say in dream also the same thing can be there. And while you are seeing the dream, you think it is so real. And we do not know when the Swapna will be over. So, no knowledge of when the life also will be over. There is no such idea. So, it just keeps going on and on. So, if we don't realize, then na pashyati. Further, now you see in Tika, Ayuhu Kshaya Adarshanam Asya Agnatvam Ishwara Vaiparityam Uktam. Ishwara eva san Maya Paravashataya Jivo Bhavati. न जीवो नाम कश्चित् स्वतंत्रोस्ति इति एतद् दृष्टान्तेन उपपादयति मेघच्छन्न इति. आयुः क्षय अदर्शनम् अस्य अज्ञत्वम् अस्य चिदात्मनः जीव भावत्व. when it is there, what is जीव भावत्वम or जीवत्वम? Ayuh Kshaya Adarshanam. That my lifespan is going, I am victim of Kala and not knowing anything. All these, Ayuh Kshaya Adarshanam Asya Agnatvam. This Agnatvam is Ishwara Vaiparityam Uktam. This is opposite of Ishwaratva. Ishwara eva san Maya Paravashataya Jiva Bhavati. Now he says, Ishwara alone, when controlled by Maya, his own Maya, he becomes Jiva. So the same entity, when it controls Maya, he is Ishvara. When he is controlled by Maya, he is a Jiva. Na Jivo nama kaschit swatantro asti. There is no independent entity called Jiva. So here you can use Bimba Pratibimba. That Pratibimba is not an independent entity. It is only dependent entity. So in the same way, Jiva is only Paratantra, not Swatantra. Na Jivo nama kaschit swatantro asti iti etad drashtantena upapadayati. That he is explaining now with another drashtanta. मेघच्छन्नोऽंशुमालीव मायया मोहितोऽधिकम् किंचित्कर्ता च किंचिज्ञो लक्ष्यते परमेश्वरः। मेघच्छन्नोऽंशुमालीव मायया मोहितोऽधिकं किंचित्कर्ता च किंचिज्ञो लक्ष्यते परमेश्वरः। So earlier it was said Chidatma alone takes the role of Ishvara and Chidatma alone takes the role of Jiva. Now here what is said, Ishvara alone when controlled by his own Maya becomes Jiva. So we should not get confused if the two different things are said. Earlier it was said Shuddha Chaitanya alone when he is having all control and all is called Ishvara, and when he is helpless is called Jiva. So really speaking, Shuddha Chaitanya alone, whose Shakti Upadhi is Maya, so because of that everything is under control of that Shuddha Chaitanya, then that Shuddha Chaitanya calls himself or understands himself as Ishvara. And that same Shuddha Chaitanya, when everything is out of his control and is under the control of Maya, then he himself thinks of himself as Jiva. In this way you should understand. Meghachanno amshumaliva maya adhikam mohitaha. So everywhere you should see like mohito dhikam. So there also mohito avagraha dhikam. Then in Tika also Kaschit Swatantro Asti. So Kaschit Swatantra Asti Na Asti, in this way. There also avagraha. Meghaschanno Amshumali Iva. The one who is Anshumali, Anshumala Yasya Asti iti Anshumali. Sun, Surya. Meghachanna. Channa means Achadita, the one who is covered by the cloud. Sun, when it is covered by the cloud, in the same way, Iva, Parameshwaraha Maya Adhikam Mohitaha. Adhikam means almost totally. See why Adhikam Shabda is given? Because Parameshwara is also Maya Mohita, but to what extent? Only little extent. And in which way? That Parameshwara gets the Sarvajnatva, Sarvakartritva, Sarveshwaratva. So Brahma alone, when it starts thinking that I am Sarvajna, Sarveshwara ityadi, that is also because of Maya. But when it is completely covered, that is adhikam mohitaha, purnataya mohitaha, in this way, Maya. And then he thinks himself as kinchit karta, kinchijnyaha only, not sarva karta, sarvajna. Parmeshwara lakshyate. So here in the Drishtanta, what we should understand is that the cloud which obstructs the sun, actually that cloud is produced because of sun alone. Sun alone heats up the water and forms the cloud. Then that cloud has the ability to cover the sun. But even when the sun gets covered, at least there is some light, because of which cloud is also seen. In the same way, this Parameshwara, he is, because of his Maya Shakti, this avarana in the form of the cloud is formed. And that cloud has the ability to, or the Maya avarana has the ability to hide the Parameshwaratvam. If you take Parameshwara as Brahma, then my Brahmatva is hidden. If you take Parameshwara as Ishvara, then my Ishwaratva is hidden. And then because of sun alone, after some time, that cloud will form rain and it will either fall apart or it will disperse. And then again the sun will shine. In the same way, because of that Ishvara's grace alone, because of the Guru Kripa and Shravanadi, the cloud Avarana will be destroyed, and the one who thought I am Kinchit Nya Kinchit Karta will realize I am Shuddha Chaitanya alone. So the Maya Avaranam will go away. In Mandukya, there is another Karika also. Maesha tasya devasya yaya sammohita swayam. Maya esha tasya devasya. This will come, I think this also is in Vaitatya Prakarana alone. Mayaisha tasya devasya yaya sammohitasva. So, of that Deva alone, this Maya is there, and he himself gets deluded by his own Maya. All ideas, whenever Swapna Drashta, all Mandukya, Vaitatya, this is the principle. And that Parameshwara is as though covered and becomes uncovered. This is what is revealed here. And the Sarvajñatva, Sarvashaktitva is Kalpita. Just like in Swapna, he thinks he is king, Raja. Then he thinks I am Sarvajña, Sarvashakti. Then he gets defeated, he thinks I am a dasa or I am captured. In the same way, Sarvajñatva, Sarvashaktitva is also Kalpitam. Kinchitnyatva, Kinchit Kartritva is also Kalpitam. Jiva Ishvara both are the calves of Maya, cow. And until this Bhranti remains, then the Bheda Buddhi will continue. So here this Drashtanta is explained, and then further Yat Karoti he will say, which we will see tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. I remembered, where is that shloka? Swajnana Kalpita Jagat. It is Sankshepa Shariraka. Sarvajñatva Muni, he does. This is not first shloka, I think it is third or fourth shloka in that. Okay. Om.